Morning, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are studying and taking good care of yourself. So, in the previous class, I have started chapter 2, that is Grandpa Farooq's garden, and today we are going to cover up the remaining part. But before I am going to start up with the chapter, I hope you all have completed chapter 1 book exercises. I taught you in Grandpa Farooq's garden. Grandpa Farooq's garden was Amir's favorite place. Amir and his grandpa used to go to the garden. They loved spending time over there. Amir loved the leaves, the fruits and the flowers over there. One day, what happened? Grandpa was very quiet and he's not even eating the fruits. So Amir thought, what happened to Grandpa? So Grandpa was very worried. Why the Grandpa was worried? Because his garden was dying. How his garden was dying, Amir is thinking. So the pests are eating the leaves. Pest means insects. वो क्या कर रहे थे? Leaves को खा रहे थे. इसी कारण grandpa बहुत परेशान थे. Now today we are going to find out how Amir and grandpa will work together to find out the solution for their problem. We do something to stop this? Asked Amir. What Amir asked? Can we do something to stop this problem? So what grandpa said? We need ladybirds, said grandpa. What grandpa said? What we need? We need ladybirds. They are very useful bugs. Have you seen ladybirds? So this is ladybird, a small round insect which are red or orange with black spot. Can you see in the picture? Yes or no? These are ladybirds. And bugs means small insects. They can eat these pests and save my garden. What grandpa said? They will eat these pests and they will save my garden. तो ये बग्स अगर आ जाएंगे, लेडी बर्ड्स आ जाएंगे हमारे गार्डन में, तो ये सारे पेस्ट जो छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स हैं उनको खा जाएंगे और इससे मेरा गार्डन बच जाएगा. बट वेयर विल आई फाइंड देम? ये मुझे कहाँ मिलेंगे? सो व्हाट आमिर सेड? डोंट वरी ग्रैंडपा, I will bring you a bug or two, said Amir. Amir said कि मैं आपके लिए बग लेकर आऊंगा, एक या दो तो बग ले ही आऊंगा. Amir went home and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found 2 ladybirds while walking home from school. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. So Amir has gone to home and he started searching for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, what Amir found? He found 2 ladybirds where? While walking home from school. स्कूल से घर आ रहा था वॉक करते हुए, तब उसे 2 ladybirds मिले. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. जो रोड होती है उसके साइड में जो ग्रास थी वहां पर वो ladybirds थे. He carefully picked them up and brought them home. उसने वो ladybirds को उठाया और उसे घर ले आया. Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a plastic box. Like this, in the plastic box, Amir has put small leaves and twigs. Twigs means thin branches. Can you see the branches? पतली पतली branches दिख रही हैं. These are called twigs. Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside, और ladybirds को उसने इस box के अंदर डाल दिया. He kept some food and water for them in the box. भूख लगेगी ना ladybirds को, तो इसके लिए उन्होंने थोड़ा सा food आमिर ने और पानी भी रख दिया. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. अब नेक्स्ट डे आमिर ने क्या किया, फुटबॉल फील्ड पे गया, फुटबॉल जहाँ पर लोग फुटबॉल खेलते हैं वहां पर गया. उसने बग्स को ढूंढने की ट्राई करी. He found 3 of them sitting on one leaf. एक लीफ पर उसको अब कितने मिल गए, पहले 2 मिल गए थे, now he found 3. Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa, he said carefully picking them up. उसने उन लेडी बर्ड्स को कहा, कम आ जाओ मेरे साथ, हमें अब ग्रैंडपा की मदद करनी है. He said carefully picking them. उनको ध्यान से उठाया उसने. So again we will read it. Can't we do something to stop this? Asked Amir. What Amir asked? How can we solve the problem? He asked from Grandpa. So what did Grandpa said? That we need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? So what Grandpa said, we need ladybirds and they are very useful. They can eat the pest. वो इस छोटे इंसेक्ट्स को खा लेगा जो हमारे गार्डन को डैमेज कर रहे हैं. तो बट आमिर बोलता है कहाँ मिलेंगे. सो ग्रैंडपा बोलते हैं कहाँ मिलेंगे. तो आमिर सेड, डोंट वरी ग्रैंडपा, आई विल ब्रिंग यू अ बग और 2, सेड आमिर. मैं आपके लिए लेकर आऊंगा. Amir went home. Amir घर गया and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. उसने सब जगह उस ladybirds को ढूंढा. On the second day, he found 2 ladybirds while walking home from school. जब वो स्कूल से घर आ रहा था वॉक करते हुए, तब उसे 2 ladybirds मिले. कहाँ मिले? They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. रोड के साइड पे जो grass grow होती है वहाँ ladybirds मिले. He carefully picked them up and brought them home. He picked the ladybirds and brought them home. Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of big plastic box. So he put the ladybirds in the small plastic box. Along with in the box he has put some leaves and twigs. Can you see the twigs? Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. Now he's putting the ladybirds and he kept some food and water for them in the box. For them, ladybirds need food and water, na? So he has kept some food and water inside the box. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. So now where Amir looked for the bugs? Now he's searching on the next day in the football field. Around the football, he found 3 of them. Now how many he found? He found 3 sitting on the leaf. Where the ladybirds are sitting now? On the leaf. Now what Amir is saying? Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa, he said, carefully picking them up. Now what Amir said? We need to help Grandpa, he said, carefully picking them up. Now what happened next? How many ladybirds he will found again? That we will continue in the next turn. Till then, read the chapter, try to understand everything, and moreover learn the new words which are given in the book along with their meanings. Till then, see you. Take care.